Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about scrogefinance.io, an amazing project that you need to check out. And also, before getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd been awesome to see your great support. And let's continue with the video. This project, that is Scrooge Finance, started and launched as a meme project, but now, as you know, that meme coin hype are getting lower day by day, so the team made an amazing decision of rebranding the whole project from a meme coin to a real project. That is something really interesting. So that is why I'm sharing this project with you guys, because it is in the earlier stage of its rebranding. So there are lots and lots of update coming around the corner. So if you are interested, you can buy the token. The token ticker is Sophie. You can easily find it through PancakeSwap and buy. For 1 BUSD you are getting 32 million token. So that is something really interesting. You can buy it for cheap right now and accumulate more and more Sophie token, so that in near future, if they launch an amazing update, then that will be really profitable for you guys. But as I always say, invest what you can afford to lose and do your proper research. They are working on creating a fully decentralized peer-to-peer digital equity fund that will be 100% owned by its community. They will be utilizing this fund and by investing that capital into promising companies. So that is something really great that they are doing. And now let's talk about the features that Scrooge Finance is providing to its user. The first is unruggable and LP burned. 100% of the LP tokens have been burned on launch. Liquidity is locked forever for all part of the dev team. Means as soon as they have provided liquidity on the pool, the LP tokens that they got after providing the liquidity are burned. Means no one in future can take out the liquidity, hence it is unruggable. So that is something really interesting. And the second is community driven, honest and transparent approach. Check our roadmap and participate on Telegram. So as I told, this is a 100% community driven project. We as investors are the part of the team who are actively controlling this project. And the third is active developers. Sophie is actively being developed and all choices are discussed on our Telegram group. And make sure to join the Telegram group so that you can share your opinions about the updates and what you think that next use case for the Sophie must be. You can share your opinions on the Telegram group and it will be listened by the team. So make sure to join the Telegram group and all the other social medias. Yes, Scan, PooCoin. You can track out the chart through PooCoin, and also they are going to be soon listed on CoinGecko. And as you can see, this CoinMarketCap is also coming, as they have already made an application. And now let's move on to the roadmap. So currently we are on rebranding phase, that is 2021, listing on various decentralized exchanges including CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. As I told that they have already filled the CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko applications, and their next goal will be marketing campaign. They want to reach 100k holders and community gonna discuss and choose marketing strategies. So that is something really great. And on Q3 they will be having CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listing with centralized exchange listing plus partnership announcement and lots of things that are pre-planned and upcoming in the future. So that is something really great. And now let's move on to the tokenomics. So here is the contract address, and make sure to double check the contract address while buying the token so that you don't end up buying a fake token. And the token name is Scrooge Finance and the symbol is Sophie, SOFIE, and the decimals are 12. They are having a total supply of 100 billion token, and they have a great mechanism, that is burning mechanism. The first is deflationary, 1% burned on each transaction. Supply will decrease over time and increase the price. So as you know, that deflationary mechanism is something really great, that increase the scarcity of the token and hence increase the price of it. 1% will be burned on each transaction. Means whenever you do a transaction of Scrooge Finance, 1% of it will be burned. And the second is marketing, 2% of each transaction, that is new tokens emerge with rapid speed. Staying ahead of the competition is critical. The third is investment, 3% on each transaction added to our GP pool, which will be invested to benefit of all holders. So these are all the three mechanisms that they are working on with. And here are some videos about Scrooge Finance that you can check out if you are interested. And now let's move on to the white paper. From here you can download the white paper and check out information about about it. White paper has some great information about their model and how it works, so you can check out the white paper itself. And here you will find tokenomics, and this is the model that private equity fund structure is shown over here, so you can also check out by yourself. It is a handy, you can check out by yourself. The team, our developers, Daniel is the co-founder and CEO. You can check out their information about here and also follow them on Twitter. The team has some great experience in handling crypto projects, so that is something really interesting. So the team is also not anonymous as their public profile is visible, so that is something really good. And now comes an FAQ section that you can check out, because here you will find lots of information and answers for your common questions that you are having. Just check it out by yourself, because here you get some great value if you want to be a part of Scroge Finance. And also if you want to talk with them, you can contact them via email or join that Telegram group. As it is a community driven project, you can share your opinion about the project with them on Telegram group. So that was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.